The truck kenworth truck. Customer wanna remove the idle shutdown, and we're gonna use a jpro. Okay, like getting. Okay, jpro. We gotta go to bi-directional. Okay, right here you got so many options you can do it. After trim, maintain, reset, injectors cut off, DF doesn't pump override like DF injector test if it's spraying good, DF system leaking test, DF service region, fuel leakage test, idle shutdown, maximum road speed. So many things you gotta do. What we're gonna do today is idle shutdown. We're just gonna disable that because the customer he's tired of the truck shutting off after 5 minutes. So we're just gonna go in idle shutdown. I'll put the stars. Okay, right here. We're gonna go right here to idle shutdown status. We're gonna click disable, and we're gonna go program. After program, wire is following program, change idle shutdown start disable to enable. Okay. Say turn the initial off. Okay. Then click OK. Wait 20 seconds. Once again, we're using a jpro. Has a cummins engine, but we can use inside too, but for me it's more easy if you use jpro. It's more faster. So now we gotta turn the ignition on. Okay, we disable. Okay, you can see now it's disabled. The truck's not gonna shut off after 5 minutes. It's gonna stay on. All right.